Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the second part of the structure of atom. So far we have seen two models of atoms suggested by the scientists Rutherford and Thomson. Today we are going to see the model suggested by the scientist Bohr. According to that, the nucleus of atom is situated at the center. It contains protons and neutrons. These protons and neutrons together known as nucleons. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in fixed circular path, and it is called orbits or shells. Each orbit or shell is associated with a fixed amount of energy, and thus these orbits are also called as energy levels. The energy levels or the shells are represented in two ways, either by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, or by the letters K, L, M, N, O and P. Let's see that diagrammatically. The nucleus is in the center and it is positively charged because of the presence of protons. The first shell or orbit is the K shell. The second shell is the L shell. The third orbit is the M shell. Fourth orbit is N shell. Fifth orbit is O shell, and sixth orbit is P shell. Now let's see how the electrons are distributed in the different orbits of atom. The distribution of electrons in the different orbits of an atom was suggested by scientists Bohr and Bury. The electronic configuration means the arrangement of electrons in the different shells around the nucleus. The following rules are to be followed for the arrangement of electrons in the different energy levels. The maximum number of electrons present in a shell is given by the formula 2n square, where n is the orbit number or energy level index 1, 2, 3, and hence the maximum number of electrons in different shells are as follows. In the first orbit or the K shell, the number of electrons is 2 into 1 square, 2 electrons. The maximum number of electrons in the second orbit or the L shell is 2 into 2 square, that is 8 electrons. In the third orbit or in the M shell, the maximum number of electrons will be 2 into 3 square, that is 18 electrons. In the fourth shell or N shell, the maximum number of electrons will be 2 into 4 square, that is 32 electrons, and it is so in further other orbits also. The maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated in the outermost orbit is 8. This rule is called octet rule. Electrons will not be accommodated in a given shell unless the inner shells are filled. That is, the shells are filled in a stepwise manner. To make you understand, let me explain the arrangement of electrons in the element potassium. Potassium has 19 electrons. According to the formula 2n square, the first shell will have 2 electrons. The second shell will have 8 electrons. And the third shell cannot have all the 9 electrons. It will have 8 electrons, and the last 1 electron will move to the last orbit. And so its electronic configuration is 2, 8, 8, 1. Hope you understood. All these details you can see in the structure of atom chapter, pages 49 and 50. Also see the diagrams explaining the electronic configuration of different elements. Around 20 elements diagrams are given. Please study them. Thank you, students. We will see in the next class.